How to modify the Suspended Accounts page in WHM. This demo assumes you've already logged into Web Host Manager. With WHM, you have the ability to suspend hosting accounts so that they will no longer work. You may want to do this if an account is using too many server resources, if the customer hasn't paid their bill, or if they've reached their monthly bandwidth limit. Let's learn how to modify the page that displays in a visitor's browser if an account is suspended. Find the Web Template Editor link on the left side, which is located under Accounts Functions. Now click the Web Template Editor link. Next, click the Account Suspended tab. Here is where you modify your Suspended Accounts page. Let's go ahead and paste the custom HTML code that corresponds to our Suspended Accounts page. Select everything in the text box. We're going to replace the entire HTML code. Now enter or paste the HTML code of your new Suspended Account page. When finished, click Save. That's it. We've just modified the page that displays in place of any account's homepage that is suspended. You can preview the page you just modified by clicking the Web Template Editor link again. Scroll down and click the Preview button. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to modify your suspended account page.